Hey everybody, welcome back to another easy DIY. Today we're going to be changing out a toilet flapper. And these are the tools that we are going to need. Okay, so we have annoying running toilets. And this happens to most toilets, most new toilets. So first things first, we got to take this stuff off. Go ahead and turn off the water valve. Let all the water out. Okay, so we've done a modification on this one before. What we did was just cut out a little notch on the top, but it's hardened even more over time. So now it's time to just change the whole thing out. And it's really easy to do as long as you have some cutters like this. What you want to do is, on this particular model, we're going to have to cut these plastic pieces off right here to take them off. Other ones it might be easier, but for this one, I'm going to go ahead and cut them off. This is what we're changing out. So it's just been years. This one's really hard. As you'll see, the new one's more pliable. And it'll be easier to put on. There you go. So this one's like the closest to a direct replacement for mine. As you can see, this one's a 3-inch one, so this is where I measured. Take your measuring tape. You measure on the inside lip like this. And you can see it's a 3-inch opening. So that's how you find out the size. What you need. So this is almost a direct replacement. The only difference is that it's clear for this one. It even has like a little hole here and like a little plastic thing on the bottom. It's not as deep as this one, but you could tell like how much more pliable it is to the touch. And that's what's gonna allow us to just slip it on over the little elbows there. Also, just kind of measure out where the chain was in the old one and then put the new one to match. Okay, after measuring out the chain, go ahead and slide the new one on. And this one will go on way easier than the old one coming off. No cutting necessary. It just slides over like that. And then put your chain back on. And that's pretty much it. Turn the water back on. And that's literally it. That should stop the running toilet issues that you might have. The hardest part for me was to actually find the replacement piece, or the one that I thought would replace it directly. So that's literally the hardest part, is like finding the piece. I found it at DIY, at the DIY store, but you might be able to find a similar one at your local hardware store. So check around. But really easy job to do once you get the part. Make sure to please drop a like if you found this helpful.